UConn Unit Operations by Kelsey Farr. Unit operation is a physical step in a process. Multiple unit operations can be connected to create the overall process. It is characterized as a physical or chemical change that occurs in a number of steps, such as separation, evaporation, filtration, or crystallization. Raw materials will be placed into a system which will undergo various steps in order to output a final product. Various components can be included in the process, such as capital, energy, and labor. There are various types of unit operations. Some of the large-scale ones are thermodynamic process, mechanical process, fluid flow process, heat transfer process, and mass transfer process. The first example of a unit operation is the UConn cogeneration plant. The total process involves utilizing natural gas in order to generate electricity, steam, and chilled water to use at the UConn campus. The unit operation involved is a reaction process. The cogeneration plant uses natural gas with fuel oil as a backup to fire turbine generators to produce electricity. The waste heat from the turbine is used to produce steam, which is then used as a steam generator to produce additional electricity. The second example of a unit operation is dining hall refrigeration. The total process is to keep refrigerator contents at a proper temperature. The unit operation involved is a thermodynamic process. The compressor connected to the refrigerator constricts the refrigerant vapor, raising the overall pressure, and pushes it into the coils on the outside. When the hot gas in the coils meet the cooler air temperature of the kitchen, it becomes a liquid. Now in liquid form at high pressure, the refrigerant cools down as it flows into the coils inside the freezer and the fridge. The refrigerant absorbs the heat inside the fridge, cooling down the air. The refrigerant will then evaporate to a gas, flowing back to the compressor, starting the cycle all over. The third example of a unit operation is a water heater to heat the water throughout the UConn campus. The total process is to heat up water to use for various needs. The unit operation involved is the heat exchange process. The supply pipe of the heater routes old water to the bottom of the tank through the dip tube. The hot water delivery pipe takes water from the top. All water heaters have a valve that will open if either the temperature or pressure of the water exceeds a safe limit for safety precautions.